In this video, we're going to look at another logic problem. This problem will show a different approach in solving logic questions. The traditional way of making assumptions and deduce contradictions is still going to be applicable in this case, but we're going to show another approach of solving this problem as well. So let's look at the problem first. The problem states, Mike, John, and Alex were playing soccer in the schoolyard and accidentally broke a window glass. They were summoned to the principal's office and were interrogated by the inferior principal. Mike said, John did it. John said, no, I didn't do it. Alex followed, it certainly was not me. It turned out only one of them told the truth. And this is the key here. Only one of them told the truth. So which means that if Mike told the truth, John did not and Alex did not. And so if John did the truth, Mike did not and Alex did not. Now question, who broke the glass? So we're going to look at using the conventional method that introduced in the other two videos. And that method is have a table of the possible cases. So let's see. Mike, we have three people, Mike, John, and Alex. And every one of them is going to either tell the truth or make a lie. So I will using true and the false to represent it. And let's see, make an assumption. We can start with Mike. Let's say if Mike told the truth. So Mike is telling the truth, which said John did it. So that means John said, no, I did not do it, must be false, right? So this is false. Actually, we put John is making a lie. And same, should Alex also should be making a lie. But Alex said, it certainly was not me. But because John did it, so Alex also telling the truth. Okay? And this is contradiction because now we have two people, Mike and Alex, are telling the truth. So this is not right. So how about the other one? Mike is not telling the truth. Mike is T, F, John, and Alex. So Mike is making a false statement. So John did not do it. So which means John said, no, I did not do it, is correct. So John is telling the truth. That means Alex has to be telling a lie as well because John is already telling the truth. Which means Alex is telling a lie. That means it certainly was not me, is a lie. So Alex did it. Okay? So that's the first approach. The second approach we're going to talk about is actually think about this problem. There are only three different cases in terms of who actually did it. Either Mike did it, which means Mike broke the glass, or John broke the glass. Or Alex broke the glass. The total possible outcomes are only three. And why don't we just using each of the three outcomes to see if it's going to satisfy the statement that only one of them told the truth. So let's look at it. Let's see. Mike broke the glass. So John did it. That's a false statement. John said, no, I did not do it. That's correct. Alex followed it certainly was not me. That's also correct. So that is not consistent with the fact only one of them told the truth. So Mike did not break the glass. How about John? John broke the glass. John did it, so Mike is correct, telling the truth. John is telling a lie. But Alex followed it certainly was not me because John did it, so he was also telling the truth. So then again, two people are telling the truth. That's inconsistent with the fact. And the third one, Alex broke the glass. John did it is wrong. John said I did not do it is correct. Alex followed it certainly was not me. That's wrong. So only in this case, only John is telling the truth. The other two are telling lies. So it satisfied only one of the three students told the truth. So this is the case. So in here, in this approach, you just look at all the limited outcomes and check if every conditions are met. And if it is, then you find a solution. So this is a very, very powerful technique in solving problems. You can listing all the possible outcomes and to check if it satisfies every condition. And there are a few logic problems can be solved by using this method. So put that into your reservoir of tools.